What's up, everybody? Welcome back to some more Battle Cats. Oh yeah. But anyways, so yeah. Well, let's start. Okay. Oh. Yeah, let's start. What's the music? Oh, and glad I turned this off. Okay, settings, sound now. Okay. Just turn this on a little bit. Okay. Now let's hit start. Okay. Okay. Now. Going. Oh, cats. Yeah. That's something good drink right though. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh. They already went to contact. Okay. Come on, cats. We need to win the war. Okay. Okay, he died. He's dead. He's deader than a snake on the wood or something. I don't know. Looking good. We have a chance of winning. Now I'm waiting until I get to 200. I can use the axe cat. Come on. No. Come on. Amazon. Oh. A file? Oh, we just literally obliterated all of them. Okay, we are so... Oh no, it's those. I don't like those. No. Okay, he's dead. Okay, oh, no. Oh. Come on, cats. You gotta win. You got to win. I'm waiting till 200. I can use my axe cat. Okay, got him. Yeah, the little thingies are right there. It's making a lot of noise. So yeah. Okay. It is making so much noise right now. So yeah. It was blasting through my ears. Okay, we are going to win. We're going to, oh no, okay, we're going to win. Okay, we almost do. Oh boy, more cat, oh no. More cats, attack. Okay. Oh. No. Yes, the axe cat. Okay, come on. No. I can't die. Did he just literally kill that guy? No. Oh, yeah. They gotta get a little bit closer. I can use the laser. Right. Okay. Okay, rest. Oh. No! I can't lose! Okay, I'm not gonna lose. Hey, yeah, I lost. I lost. I almost see if there was any new cats. Upgrade. Okay. In you. I gotta have him. Are these the only 3 cats in the game? Wait, is he a cat? I guess he's a cat. Okay, now let's begin the battle. Okay, where are we still at? Okay, I gotta do that battle again, because I died. Yeah, I gotta redo that battle. Yeah, so... Okay. Who we going this time? I don't like those little people, stickman thingamabobs. Okay. Oh, ooh. Okay. Come. Oh. I just realized why I didn't send another cat yet. More cats. We gonna win. Oh my. Oh yes. Oh, I just avoided them. I went Goku on them. But I went Goku like Dragon Ball Z on them. Okay. Oh, I got some little cat in. Okay, I'm gonna wait till. I'm gonna. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Okay. Oh no! No! I can't lose! No! Ooh, yes. Oh. Yes. Okay, now. Okay. I gotta win. Oh my. They are sending something at us. We got to win the war of cats and dogs. And I guess like other stuff like that. But the cat and dog war is more important. Oh my. Okay, so we are we are damaging it. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Come on. I've got to send a cat in. I got so many cats out though. Yes. We did it. Or there was a new cat. What is it? A new cat. Okay. Oh my, what is it? Oh. Oh. Okay. It looked pretty useful, not gonna lie. But now, where are we going? Wait a minute. Yeah, well, where am I supposed to be going? I kind of got lost. Wait a minute. No. How do I get rid of this uphill? Wait a minute. Hang on, what is even... No. I'm on new. Go to... Okay, I think this is the new boss fight. Yeah, it is. Okay, I see a dog. Hurry up. Okay. The first dog is the first cat. Gonna fight. Okay. Oh. Oh, another dog. 3 cats versus 2 dogs. Okay, we are gonna win. Okay. Okay, we're gonna win now. You can't defeat the cats. Because the cats are too perfect. Okay, that's another cat joke. I just realized I used the same cat joke. Oh, I'm already damaging. I wasn't even looking. Ooh. Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay. Ooh. What cats? We almost there. Oh yeah, almost there. Okay. Yeah, now let's go to a new... Wait a minute, that was a new one? Oh my. Well, that wasn't new, I guess. Hang on, I'm gonna see if this is a new one. Okay, this is a new one. This is definitely a new one. Check. Yeah, it is definitely a new one. No. Oh, yeah, I feel so stupid for doing that one. Yeah. But anyways. Oh, we already got a cat down. Okay. So, okay, I'm gonna get another cat. These cats are pretty. Okay, I don't know. Well, I don't know another cat pun. Yeah. So yeah. Ooh, we're gonna win this time. Okay. Wait, is that not fail? They got you got damaged. They got 24,000. And we got 1,000 right here. I mean 2,400. Okay. What cat? Oh, the new cat's right here. He's 400? Oh my. Okay, I gotta go and win. Oh my, they got hippo. Oh no, come on. They got a hippo. It is literally destroying everybody. Okay, this is not fair. Oh no. Come on, kill the hippo. We gotta kill the ginormous hippo. Okay, when he goes right in the laser, I'm gonna hit him with the laser. Well, that didn't kill. Oh no, I'm dead. No. 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 Cats, you better win. Don't lose on me. Nope. No, no. 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 And then I lost. Defeated. Yeah. You know, I'm gonna do that level off screen because it's pretty hard. So yeah. Okay, this is where the hippos just show up. Yeah, when we get so close to damaging that hip, yep, stays right though. No, attack the hippo. Attack that fat hippo. Come on. I got defeated again. They defeated me again, but wait a minute. What the? Oh, why is it letting me? Oh, I'm getting my. Oh my. That. What does it do? Oh. It's doing it. Okay. An X cat. Come on. I think they're doing this because they saw how bad I've been losing. They're like, we're gonna, you give them, we can have like 450 thingamabobs where he can get like, what, never mind, because that was making me pretty frustrated, but I'm gonna win. Trust me on that. I am gonna win. I lost again, but yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.